Good morning. So today, again, I'll be focusing on ABCD with but this time my risk reward depend. So if I'm only risking 5 cents, my goal is 3 to 4 hour. If I'm risking 10 cents, my goal is 2 to 3 hours. Risking 20 cents, my goal is 1 to 2 hours. If I'm also risking 25 cents, 1 to 2 hours. That's basically it. Depends on how many shares I have and how tight my risk is. Yeah, again, the timing is 8:45 to 9, not 9, 8:45 to 10. So here's my screen. So start off with NAKD. It's a runner from 2 days straight, really. See here? It's basically a multi-day runner. It went from 7 cents all the way to the high of 20 cents. We also have Fang. It's a first screen day. Yeah, it's a first screen day. It's a Chinese company. Reason why it's running? Dividend. It's paying a dividend of $1.37 per ads. I'm not sure what that means. It doesn't sound right. Usually it should be like per share, but they're saying per ads. So exactly how much is that? Another figure that been running is FCEL. Has been running for a while now. D and K gap down today. And it's filling the gap, kind of back up from like the 60s, 70s. ADTX is also running. First screen day. Reason? COVID-19 tests. Let's check previous day. Well, there. So clearly it's a forerunner. with a COVID-19 catalyst. COVID-19 test and catalyst. I don't see a buy for it right now. Solo is also running. CIW, something that I was watching from yesterday. It's trading within a range right now. It's range bound. So I have to be very, very careful. If the range actually broke, it might crash down hard. So the one with the biggest volumes pre-market is NAKD, which is a penny stock. Let's see. This is making an ABC pattern. However, if I was to buy this, I would buy it closer down here, making this B and making the move here to C. As long as I make a higher low with risk at 168. So it depends. Am I buying like a half a penny? Wait, let's see. Am I buying at 85 or am I buying at 90? If I'm buying at 90, that's 500 shares. If I'm buying at 85, that is 1,000 shares. It's a matter of how tight my risk is. This move right here will be A, B, and we'll see how C is. It's making lower highs, that's for sure. Two of them. It's trading within a range. It's coming down. If bought at if bought at like a 78.80, risking 48, it went to 9.98. So that is like a penny a share. So that's like a 2 to 1. 1 to risk to reward. Let's see how it move. So this is risking 30 cents. Not 30 cents, a third of a penny. Am I doing my math right? Let's see. No, it's not within like 500 shares or within 1,000 shares. Is it? Okay, it's within 1,000 to 10,000 to like is it 10,000? I don't have the buying power for 10,000 shares, so let's see. If risking a tenth of a penny, that's 5,000 shares. If risking if risking 50 cents, half a penny. Yeah, if risking half a penny, then that would be 1,200 shares. Around 1,200 shares. If risking half a penny, that's no, it's 1,000 shares. Yeah, if risking half a penny, 1,000 shares. It depends. So right now, if I were to enter right now, my risk would have been 30 cents, right? A third of a penny. So I'll be entering around, let's see, 1,700 shares, 1,500 shares. So make it a better number, 1,500 shares. I'll be risking around $5 with 1,500 shares, risking 30 cents. Not 30 cents, a third of a penny. It is moving. Again, the time period that I'm trading is at 8:45 to 10 a.m. Looking for an ABCD setup. And my risk reward depends, but always aiming for like a 1 to 3 risk reward. Like the ultimate goal is a 1 to 3 risk reward. But this time I had to be more flexible. So if I see something stall, then I get out partially, like take out maybe 75 to 80% of my position size and held the 25 to 20% for the monstrous move if able. Get out if there's some like a strong resistance. And if I get in the trade but it don't spike up, then I'll just get out. That means that if it come back to my risk, I'll just get out. If it doesn't spike, like I have intended it to. Okay. Resistance turn support. Solo bounced. HUSA bat. It's currently traded at 120. That is also something to watch. BHAT. Watch, but not necessarily trade. Right now, it's making like 1 hour. Solo and FCELs are very similar right now. Like just this move right here. So that is 2R. Take a bit off for like profit taking, like 25% off. Can it go higher? Strong sellers at the A chain. A chain has broken. Pretty much DRs right now. Take off another 25%. So with left with half of the shares. Can it go higher? Take off another 25%. So that's 75% left with only 25%. See if it can add on the dip. Okay, see if it can break 1820. It might be able to break 1820. Take off like half of the 25. So left with 12%. Agent 20 is a strong resistance right now. So with the 12%, if 1790 broke, get out. So half of that if 1820 break. Testing again. Well, 1820 break. It's going up, so that's a good sign. Big sellers. Left with 12%. 3 minutes till the open. 2 minutes till the open. Can 1820 crack? Looking like it. Nope. Mm. So all of it. So basically sold all of it at H-ing on the bid. So with that, not sure what the average was though. Average sell. So entry was in the 1710, risking 1680, so risking like a third of a penny. Made around maybe like um 80% of a penny or 90% of a penny around there. So around here. That's still like 2 hours to 3 hours. So yeah. And that was a nice ABCD. No, it was a nice ABC. There was no D here. There was no D. The squeeze didn't happen. And now it's morning panic. Starting a morning panic. Let's see how low it can dip. Guess not. It's coming back to test the 50. So I guess should I hold on to the last 12%? Oh well. Nice squeeze all the way to like 19. Can it go higher? Let's see. BRTXQ. Nice. It went to 1950. I really underestimated this. It's fine. Yeah, this move was very similar to FCEL. CIC, W, BAT. Wow, nice dip there. Okay, I'm looking for an ABCD setup here. So A is 538. Is this B? 523? It might crack. Yeah, it has crack. Breakout. Risking my 10 cents to share. Pullback. Enter around here. Enter the pullback here. Risking 23. Let's see if it can move to 6. And exit. Not worth it, no. Seems like it got a negative analyst. Got downgraded from its yeah, since it has soared like 90% in 5 day. Got downgraded. Is this another ABCD setup? A is 1960. B is 1661. Let us see how far it will drop for C. Why is BRTXQ not running? You can halt it? I believe so. Maybe? Maybe. Or not traded on Thinkorswim. Oh my. Scotty, going higher. It might break at 1950. And yep. But that's a lot of sellers at the 1950s area. But it has crack into the 1960s. 20 cents. Psychological resistance. And it will crack that too. Wow. It's going higher. The momentum is there. This is basically the A move. I'm not sure what happened to BRTXQ. Wow, it's going to 21. So it's not just me. Something is going on with BRTXQ quotes. Let's see. Nice. Nice double bottom bounce. Same with solo. That has dropped big. ADTX. Ooh, that's a nice ABC right here. Entry at a 15, risking 3 cents. So entry of like 200 shares. Nice move here. Sell half. Hold on 200 shares for a move over 30. I missed it, but that's probably what I would do. Like sell half here. Can it crack 30? 28 is basically it's getting onto the D point, so can it get a squeeze over 30? Trade sideways, which is a good sign. Okay, 30 has cracked. Sell 50% of that remaining shares. So left with 50 shares. Can it move over 40? Can it move over 40? Look like it can. It might be able to. It hit 40. Sell 25 at 35. Okay, we'll make another ABCD. So B would be 29, 28, 29, right? Nice ABCD here. Okay, this is making an ABCD looking chart. So we're just getting like 60. So that means enter with 1,000 shares here, around here. But we'll see. It looks like it's going down more, so. Yeah, cut my losses. So ADTX, very, very nice ABC here. It's getting a bit heavy here. But again, very, very nice ABCD. I missed it. I missed this move right here. But I was able to witness this move. It has a very nice ABCD there. That I cannot deny. How about here? Could this be an ABCD? So if I actually enter here, I'll be risking like 10 cents. That means I'm only aiming to make 20 to 30 cents. So 250 risk reward. The low was 48. So basically aiming to take profits at the 570. It could go higher though. Can it crack 570? Yes, it can. Take out like 25%. Can it crack 75? 74, 75. Take off another 25%. So sold 50% in the 70s. Now holding 50 for 80s to 90. Hmm. Nice ABCD here. Take off another 25% at 70. So holding 25 for the move to 80. It touched 80. Can it break 80? 80 was a previous day high. So this could be a breakout. Could be, potentially. Holding on to 25%. For the break of 80. Can it break 80? It's looking strong. 80 crack. 80 has crack. Can you get you 85? Fake out there. It's pulling back. Can it go higher? Finding supports in the 70s. And doesn't look like it. It might pull, it might have a hard crash if 70 break. Holding onto 25%. Okay, there you go. Breakouts. Add at 85. So back to 50% position. If it cracks 75, just get out. MA for a move to 6. Can it go higher? Okay, 88 is the new high. 89. Sell. Um, a fourth of that, so 12%, 12.5%. Holding on to 38.5, holding on to 37.5. So the 12.5%, holding on to 25, the the buy would be 585. If 75 crack, just get out. It might just mean the end of the uptrend. Will 75 crack? And looking like the momentum is turn, get out. I guess not. So basically, took a loss there. Gave back some profits. 75 did not crack. Got scared out of the position. And yeah. Solos in the 8 hours. Very nice move there. Very nice move. I don't see an ABCD pattern. And if you take the overall chart, the bigger picture, yeah, you take the bigger picture, that could be considered ABC. But again, yeah. NAKD is on the backside right now. Moving down, moving down. It just might bounce a VWAP. FCEL's in the 60s. So overall, yeah, it's already at A. So now just waiting for B. Is the 64B? Can it have the power to move higher? Okay, 62 might be B. Or will it go lower? And it might just go lower. It doesn't look like BITXQ is running yet. Not sure what happened. Guess not. Where is B? That is the question. It's a big uptrend, so B is going to be quite low. Will it bounce off of VWAP? Solo, something similar. It's higher price than I would have wanted to enter. Bat, nice curve from 98. Nice ABC. FCEL. Looking at FCEL right now. Nice ABCD right here. ADTX. Nice ABCD right here. Missed this move. Witness this move. Ah. Wait for it. The 60s might be, let's see, the low is 53. Okay, 53. That is the low. Now we'll wait to see where's the higher low, lower high, and wait for C. So F cell has been downgraded to a neutral. That is something fundamental, but we'll see with the price actions. How will it dictate F cell? Let's see DNK. Ooh, ADTX, BAT, VXRT. Huh, looking nice. 78, 76. Huh, could get in here with 500 shares. Very tight risk reward, risking 1 cent. If 76 crack, get out. Just get out. Not worth it. FCEL. Let's see how high is the lower high. Would love it if the lower high is in the 80. So 55, 53. Entry will have to be within the mid 60 or lower. Based on where my entry will be, it'll either be 50 shares or 100 shares. $71. And don't like it. Would love it if the lower highs was in the 80s, testing 80. 80 is a strong resistance area. Don't like it. Because if it was actually in the 80s, more shorts will actually short it. Because low risk, it's a resistance. And yeah, but 70s, no. Don't like it. Bat? Eh. NAKD, nice bounce off of VWAP. This what happened. I don't like this move. It double bottom, that's for sure. But it went lower. There's no longer a double bottom. It has crack. Nice ABCD right here. I missed it. So what? $19.05, risking 50 cents. Uh, half a penny. So that's like 1,000 shares. And this is already pretty much won't want you to risk your reward. So basically that means like sell like a half here, holding on to the other half if it can actually move higher. Can it come back to 21? Look like it might be able to test 21. So 2080 is a resistance right there. Can 2080 crack? Can 80 crack? 80 has crack. And this is basically like selling like pretty much like half. half of the remaining shares here at 29 at like the 90s. Big sellers at 21, so that is something. It's still rather bullish. Yeah, just get out. So pretty much like I want you to risk your rewards. Almost I want you for, but still pretty good. FCEL, don't like it. Nice. Still don't like it. This might be B area. Might. But we'll see. How low can it drop? So this whole move could have been B. The lows in 2022. We'll see. So A, B, C around here maybe? It's in the 50s. Guess not. It just made its way to the 70s. It might crack 70s. Yeah, it will crack 70. Guess not. Fang is moving back up. NAKD. It's getting heavy here in the 20 to 21s area. It might just flush. FCEL. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. Can I test the 80? So better. So the high 50s, the mid 50s to high 50s. That's basically where my buy entry is. So the mid 50s to high 50s. Risk kind like 53. It's getting a bit heavy up there. NAKD is currently traded 2036. Okay. Will it crack 80? 80 is resistance point. Strong resistance too. If it crack 80, it might just get squeezed to 90s. Okay. There you have it. Now can it bounce? Let's join the ask at 55. Let's crack 80. Delete. Remove. It doesn't actually have to pull back. But my bias with this is that it will pull back. That's my bias. It doesn't actually have to do what I want it to do. But the plan is buy down here. That's the plan. Yeah, the plan is buy down here. Wow, NAKD said 22. New high. Guess I was wrong here on this move, right? It did get squeezed. And FCEL is making its move to 90. Guess. Oh well. Is that it? No more ABCD for me? Fang, but I don't like its press release on the dividends. Dividends just mean that the companies doesn't have anything more special to it. To keep its investors, they have to put dividends in there, and they don't have to actually sell. Have to give them the dividends at all. Why would that be so? The companies can make it like a press release about not giving their dividends. So pretty much it, yeah. Okay, it's fine. It can be coming back down with that is very tight spot for short sellers. Very tight, but we'll see. Buy 500 shares, 100 shares at like 57. Again, my risk would be 53. I would like it if, let me, if it actually crack the downtrends down here and not up there. Is that it? This could maybe see 23. It did see 23. It could go higher. So just double top. I'm expecting a head and shoulder, but if I buy low enough, and will it crack 90s? It might just crack 90s. But this is a double top, right? This is basically 89. It might just crack 90. NAKD is holding 23. Actually, try to get you 24. Let's see here. Wow, BRTX. So it is BRTX that was running, not BRTXQ. Wait, what the heck is going on? Did they change their name? Or is BRTX running and not BRTXQ? Yeah, this is frustrating. FCEL, since double top there, can actually, if it can break out, just break out. Okay, there, break out. I don't see an ABCD, so yeah. Fang, a mini one. MDGS. CBAT is running again. HUSC. Ooh. Now that I look at it, this is a nice one. Although it's a very, doesn't look too good of a chart. But it has a nice move. 50 cents a share move. Nice. Bat. This is something I'm looking forward to. NNDM. It's running again. F cells went to the high of 98. Solo. AYRO. TDAC. And VVPR. Yeah, I only have 30 minutes. I don't see my pattern up here. I missed it a bunch of them. Let's see. Right here. This is a nice move right here. I missed this whole move. Oh, mid-morning panic. Let's see how it will be. Are bits getting bought? Getting sold to? 10%. BRTXQ, nice morning panic. 2 cents back to 5 cents. So that is like that's like a 25%. Very nice. Very nice 25%. Hmm. Fang. And the kitty is traded to almost 300 million shares right now. This guy didn't do as I wanted it to, so yeah. Solo could be potential play if it actually make it a higher low down here in the 20s. So like a buyer would be like right around VWAP, risking the low of like 17, 18, 17, 18. Okay, it's coming back down. But I should be very careful. It's making like a head and shoulders, so that's a bearish sign. CBET just double top at 107. Well, they also like triple bottom at like 98. And a KD, it's on the backside right now. Looking to have a strong downtrend. Looking to have a strong downtrend, but again, this is a higher low setup, so maybe potential squeeze back to like 2380 if able. Like that's like a 1 or 2 risk reward. Solo. HUSN is choppy, but it has a nice move right here. This is a potential bounce. My risk would be 89. Risking 5 cents. It is a higher low. Could be a potential bounce, but we'll see. Oh. Can't see 91. Number 92. 91 stacking up. Get out. AYRO. Oh. Nice move there. Oh. Okay. I think that'll be all for today.